Welcome to the Syspro FileHub demonstration. Syspro FileHub is a simple user-friendly document management system designed for ease of use. It's a centralized system ideal for organizing, storing, and accessing documents in a structured and efficient way. It's securable to ensure access only by authorized users, and it's compliance-ready with versioning and audit tracking. So let's have a look at it in action. I'm going to go into my Open Orders Insight tile, and there's a couple of documents that I want to interrogate. For example, I want to look at some design documents for a product. I want to credit check one of my customers and have a look at the contract review for the sales order. And all these pieces of information might be external pieces of documentation that aren't currently held in Syspro. Well, with Syspro FileHub, we can now integrate these external files and documents and make them part of your Syspro implementation. So let's start off. I've got my Open Orders Business Insight tile here, and I am interested in my Bayside Bike B100 order. And there we go. Just using the filtering, I've gone straight to that line on there. I've got a sales order on here, and you can see the elements in Syspro that have further information behind them. We can actually drill down using the hyperlinks. So if I click on the B100, we can see here we've got all my standard out-of-the-box hyperlinks on there. But we've also got this one here called Design Documents. And if we click onto there, this is going to call up the Syspro FileHub. These are all the documents that are specifically held against B100 in the FileHub system. We can see what type of file it is, when it was uploaded. There's full versioning on here as well. We can see who was uploaded by and when the date last modified. And then I've also got the ability to preview this within a viewer. It means no matter what device I am on, I will be able to look at that within my desktop, or I can actually download a physical copy to my laptop on here. If we just show you what the preview looks like, it opens up in the window. And there we can see we have got a drawing of a bike. And even within here now, I can download this file and I can zoom in and zoom out. We can also add things like tags on here. So we can store more kind of reporting or the ways to get at your data using metadata. So, for example, if we click on here, I could add a tag. We've already got one saying it's the bike, but I could add a tag on there to say this is a drawing. So if I just put DWG and add that. Now, if I wanted to search globally for all my drawings of bikes, I could use those tags to pull up every documentation that has that tag on there. So that's looking at the stock code. If I go over to the customer and click on here, we can see I've got one here called Customer Documents. Now, if I click on that, it's going to open up the FileHub. But now it's pointing at the Customer Documents folder for this customer. And we can see here in this example, we have got a credit safe report. And we've also got another folder within this folder where we're holding invoices. I've got the ability here now to see any previous invoices that have been generated for this customer. Let's zoom in. And if I just go back up, we can also look at the credit safe report, and I can download that. And double-click in. And now we can see the credit safe report. So I've got access to all of the credit information and what invoices I've ever sent out to this customer, basically directly from my documentation link in here. And then if we click on the sales order, we can see I've got one there called Contract Review. If I click on Contract Review, it's going to take me in now to all the documents I've got associated with this customer for this sales order on here. Now, at the moment, it's a blank screen. Now I could use this on here. So I've got some recent downloads. I recently printed off the order acknowledgement for this order. All I need to do is simply drag and drop it in. So I've used dragging and dropping the same way that you would do if you were moving files around from a Windows folder directly into here. And we could also use the upload button to open up the Windows folder and take files off your machine on there. I can go on here and I can put a tag in. And I want to say that's an acknowledgement. I'll just call it ACK. So again, if I ever want to bring up all my acknowledgments for a specific customer and look at them in one place, I can do that throughout the Syspro FileHub. So if we have a look at some more real-world examples of how we might use this, as well as the kind of coding, credit documentation and design, and drawing documentation and contract reviews for sales orders, one of the big key areas is obviously quality and compliance. If I go into my quality dashboard, I can see on here I have got GRNs awaiting inspection. So I might have my round steel bar. We can see here I've got a couple of purchase orders awaiting inspection. So they've been received in, but not been inspected into stock yet. And if we click on the lot, we can see here now I've got lot documents. I can open that up, and it takes me into the FileHub for that specific lot number and what documents I've got in there. And as you can see here, I've got an inspection report. So I can either preview that, or I can download it, or of course, print it out. So when your supplier dispatches the goods to you with things like test certificates, certificates of conformity, certificates of analysis, any kind of quality documentation that you need to store with the batch number, we can actually make that link very seamless. And even better than that, if you have an environment where a customer wants to have all of the test certificates for any raw materials that were used on a build of a product, we can get the FileHub to aggregate all of those files together, linked against the batches, and show that as a document pack to send along with your dispatch of your finished good. So if we just take a look at kind of how we can make this nice and usable for the user on here, we can harness in the power tailoring capabilities of Syspro. The FileHub itself gives you a button that actually generates the card or the custom pane if you're in the client for you. So there's no technical skill required on this. If you have a little bit of power tailoring capabilities, you're able to put your own buttons and links in. So if you want to open up the FileHub from anywhere within Syspro, we can do that. We can see on my stock code, I've actually added a button called Design Documents. And all I'm doing is I'm calling the card that the FileHub has automatically generated when we set that up. Really, this is limitless. You can have this against customers, suppliers, batches, as we've already seen, obviously design documents. You can have it anywhere in Syspro where you have got key field information. You can set up that relationship. And it also means if you're using things like the manufacturing operations management and the workbench, and you've got operators that need to have access to drawings and works instructions, it also means that we can point the workbenches to pick up that information as well. If I go into my machine shop on my mom workbench, we can see here that I'm running a job at the moment. And we've got the paperclip showing there's attachments. If I click on the attachments, we can draw straight through to the FileHub. So now I'm calling up the FileHub for that job within the mom workbench. And I've got the same capabilities of previewing within my screen or downloading to the actual terminal on there. There we have my drawing or all the measurements that I need to use to carry out my production of this product. So there's an application called Syspro FileHub. This is where we can set up all of the reference points that you want to hold documentation against. In my example, these are all the places that I'm holding data against. This is unlimited. I've chosen to call it Design Documents, and that's why I'm going to link to my stock code. I've got my contract review, which is documents I'm going to link to sales orders. I've got quality documents, which is documentation I'm linking to my suppliers, so on and so forth. And this is where you can set up things like your role permissions or your user permissions. So on design documents, I might not want everybody in the company to have access to this. So I can be very specific at what people I want to have the ability to read, edit, create, or delete on there. And I can do that by specific users, or I can do it by roles on there. So you can see on my lot documents, I'm not letting anybody in a role have access to that. So we set up these folders of what we want to capture. And then if we click on Files, this is where we can have access to all that centralized information. So for example, if we click on my design documents, what it's showing me now is every file that is in that folder. As you can see, we can segregate out by multi-company. so we can see documents across multiple companies. We got all the information of the file, when it was uploaded, who uploaded it, what the key field is. And then, of course, we've got the ability to search by our tags. If you remember, I had my bike on there. And if we add that tag, it will now go through and show me all the documents where I've tagged it with bike. So this can become quite useful if you want to look over a few areas of the system and you want to bring documents together that might be stored in different places. You can unify that by using the tags, which allow you to look at the metadata associated. If we look at the Syspro pane creator, this is where we can get the system to automatically set up where that FileHub box is going to open up within your Syspro environment. As you can see from my design documents, I've got a couple set up on there, design and customer documents, which have generated the custom pane, which would be used in the Syspro client. In the web user interface, we have the concept of cards. Because I'm predominantly using the web interface, I've got more cards in here. But you can see there I've got my contract review sales order. And if I just hover over, this is basically where you link it, what you want the folder to be called, what caption on the system. Whether it's on a list view or in a program, what caption is it linking it to? And then the key field, which I've already filled in, will be sales order in this example. And it's just a case of clicking on Create Card, and it generates that for you. And as soon as you've done that, Syspro will automatically know about that relationship. So when you log in, assuming you've got the appropriate user rights, you will automatically see that reference, whether it's design documents, contract review, lots against your key field in there. So if we just look at a few other things on here. If I go to my home, we can see my dashboard, all the things that I've been doing today. So I've got files that I've added in and ones I've done today on there. So it's keeping a full audit control of everything that is occurring on there. And then if we look at the admin dashboard, we can see what proportion our documents are and which users have added them in. So in terms of compliance, we've got the ability to track changes to users. This should help with addressing your governance and reporting requirements for things like SOC, ISO, quality compliance, and so on and so forth. Other things you can do is obviously people might choose to delete things off. Well, when we delete things off, we might not want it to really delete things off. So you can set things up like retention periods and obviously have audit logs on that as well. If you've got lots of data that you might have outside the system, we also provide a data import utility so you can do your bulk uploads into the Syspro FileHub. So you can start getting a return on investment from day one and making it really easy for your users to have collaboration across multiple departments with all the different type of documents that you have. So it's real-time access and version control on there. So hopefully that's given you a good view of what the Syspro FileHub does. And if you've got any questions or want to delve a bit deeper, please just either contact your account manager or sales at Syspro. Thank you very much.